Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Store. Let's get started. So what you want to do is go to the Windows icon here at the bottom. So after clicking on that, you're going to go to the search bar and you're going to type in Windows PowerShell. And there it is. So now you need to do is right click on that and then click on Run as Administrator. So after we have given Windows PowerShell some permissions, we are going to go to our text document and we are going to select all of this. Then we're going to right click and then select copy. Then we are going to go back to our Windows PowerShell and you're going to paste it there and then you're going to hit enter. So after you hit enter, what that's going to do is it's going to install Microsoft Store. And then once it's done, you're going to go back to the Windows icon there. And you're going to notice that Microsoft Store has been installed. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.